AdCreative.ai and Jasper Ads are two popular tools that promise to make ad copy creation faster, easier, and more effective. Both use artificial intelligence to generate headlines, descriptions, and creative ideas, but they focus on slightly different strengths. For small businesses and solo marketers, choosing the right one can have a real impact on your workflow, your ad performance, and even your budget. Let us start with AdCreative.ai. This platform leans heavily into visual ads and high-converting creative generation. It focuses on producing ready-to-use ad creatives along with the corresponding text. The interface is clean and straightforward, and you can generate multiple variations of ad copy with only a few inputs. One thing that stands out is how strongly the tool pushes data-driven suggestions. It scores each creative based on predicted performance and gives you a sense of which versions are likely to resonate. If you often create social ads that rely on striking visuals, AdCreative.ai feels like a natural fit. It also supports brand consistency through color and style options, making it easy to maintain a professional look across campaigns. Small businesses that want quick, polished creatives without hiring a designer usually appreciate how little friction the platform has. Now look at Jasper Ads. This tool sits within the broader Jasper ecosystem, which is known for writing and marketing assistance. Jasper Ads focuses on generating persuasive and detailed ad copy. The platform excels in producing messaging that aligns with brand voice, tone, and positioning. Compared to AdCreative.ai, Jasper Ads is more text-oriented. It is great for long-form ad copy, deeper value propositions, and more complex messaging. The tool pulls from a wide library of writing frameworks, which can help businesses produce ads with strong emotional appeal or clear problem-solution framing. If you want richer storytelling or ads that require more nuance, Jasper Ads often provides more flexibility. It also works well for businesses that already use Jasper for other content tasks because you can keep everything unified under one system. So which one is best for small businesses? If your priority is fast, creative production with strong visuals and simple, catchy copy, AdCreative.ai likely fits your needs. It helps you get ads out the door quickly with minimal effort. If your business relies on storytelling, strong brand voice, and varied ad formats that require more detailed text, Jasper Ads may serve you better. In the end, the right choice comes down to the style of ads you create most often. Both tools can improve your workflow and help you launch campaigns with confidence, but choosing the one that matches your content style will give you the best long-term results.